In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own image where you hug your little version, in line with the popular Google Gemini trend. This fun and adorable project can help you visualize embracing your younger self, creating a heartwarming digital memento. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily make this happen using the Google Gemini platform. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you've got Google loaded up, go ahead and type in Google Gemini in the search bar. This will bring up a variety of results. You're looking for the official Google Gemini website, so click on that link when it appears. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you may be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and enter your credentials to continue. Now that you're on the Google Gemini platform, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option for New Chat. Click on this to begin the process of creating your image. A side panel will appear, and you'll find a plus sign icon within it. Clicking this plus sign allows you to upload images. Here's where you'll want to upload a photo of yourself that you'd like to use for this project. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to harness the power of AI by typing a specific prompt. In the chat input area, carefully enter the prompt that will instruct the AI on what kind of image you're aiming to create, namely, one where you're hugging your younger self. This input is crucial as it sets the stage for the AI to understand and execute your vision correctly. Next, it's time to click on Tools, which should be an accessible option in the interface. This will further guide you into the creative functionalities of Google Gemini. Within this Tools section, you should see an option that reads Create Images. This is the heart of your creation process, so go ahead and select it. With everything in place, the final action you need to take is to click on Submit. This prompts the AI to process your image and generate the desired outcome. Remember to be patient. The processing may take a little time as the platform works on rendering your image. After a brief wait, you should be able to see the finished photo, and there you have it, a beautiful image capturing you hugging your younger self, fully brought to life thanks to the innovative tools provided by the Google Gemini platform. This simple yet rewarding project is not only enjoyable, but lets you explore the creative potentials of AI in a meaningful way. If you find this experience fulfilling, feel free to share your image and enjoy the creative possibilities that technology offers. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope you had as much fun creating this image as I did walking you through the process.